Breaking news, the Netherlands were able to beat the Jamaicans in the 4x400 meter relay. In case this happens to be your first time on this YouTube channel, make sure to subscribe. But nevertheless, the Jamaicans did their best and they were able to win silver medal in Budapest in the 4x400 meter relay. The Jamaicans fight their way through and they were able to claim silver in the relay. In fact, the truth is the Jamaicans were the ones leading when they are almost at the end of the race. But do you know what actually happened? This woman you're seeing here holding the banner, she is called fina. She did something dramatic at the end of the race. This is what fina does. When they reach almost 20 meters to the ending of the race, she boosts up her energy, and before you know it, she bypassed the Jamaicans, and that was how she was able to beat them. But to tell the truth, Jamaicans, I already saw it like they have already won gold, but all of a sudden fina came and she win. Make sure to subscribe.